Hey y'all, hey, I am back with another video. Voice is gone. Gone. It was a long weekend, a long wedding black love weekend, and my voice out the window. So hopefully it comes back soon. But today's video, we will be getting into this look. We got a makeup tutorial on this peachy look, peachy nude, long lash, raspberry grape hair. Open up the fridge, all the fruits on your face. Look, we filmed 2 videos in one day, so just get into all of them. Just watch them all. So if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
A little bit of Anastasia for these bitch ass hoes. My highlights fucking popping.
All right, so let's get into this peachy makeup tutorial. As of right now, I don't know what I'm about to use. Not the slightest clue. I don't even know if I have any peach anything. But we're gonna get it popping. So, but first, if you see me with the same background, the same top, the same everything, my voice is really gone. Wow. A wedding will do that. Okay, but no. If you see me in the same top, it's because I filmed a hair tutorial on these bundles from Beauty Forever Hair. It is their Peruvian body wave, straightened and curled. I'll take you through my trials and tribulations with this hair. But for me to have done what I did to it, I'm extremely proud that it even silks back out and curls and doesn't look dead and dry and just demolished. Like, I'm really proud of this hair, and for them to be such an affordable brand. You never know what you're gonna get when it comes to bundles. You just, you know, some are better than others, which you will see in the tutorial, which will probably be up before this one. But I'm loving this hair. I have a 16-inch frontal, 18, 22, and 20 in 2 22-inch bundles, I believe. If not, I will put in the description box below because I could be very, very wrong. I've been trying out a lot of new hair lately, and yeah, so let me not lie to you, but I do know that it's Peruvian body wave though. So I'm really actually proud of this hair for what it did. We were testing out some new colors, so we came up with this like raspberry with lavender hues at the ends, because the purple color that I picked out, I thought it was going to be darker than it was, but it was like a brights. So it was going to be like a hella bright purple. So it didn't take on the hair because the hair wasn't light enough for it to take. So if I would have used a deeper purple, it would have came out right. But I'm still loving the color. It has the hues from me bleaching it. So it has like some blondish brown hues. It has this raspberry kind of magenta color that I have in it. And then it has some little residue from that purple. So I'm liking it. You know, it's just a strange color combination for me. Nothing that I would actually purposely do. But you know, that's how you get sometimes when you're just mixing up colors and you're not a colorist. You never know what you're gonna get. It's like a Cracker Jack box. I'm sitting here looking for a mirror. Where's the mirror? So we can get this started. But yes, loving this hair from Beauty Forever Hair. I'll be posting several pictures of it so you can see it in light. It looks bomb in sunlight because sunlight just makes everything go hype, okay? So it's like melanin be popping, hair be popping, look, get the little colors going. So I'm just, you know, really feeling it right now. But overall, I am happy with the hair. I do really like Beauty Forever Hair as a company. They ship really, really quickly. Their customer service is good. They comment or message you back and forth if you have any questions. They always have some type of coupon code. And the shipping was like, boom, boom. It's like I ordered it, then boom, it was here. So, yeah, definitely go check them out. I will link everything down below so you can see what all type of bundles and stuff they have. They have frontals because y'all know I only do frontals now, so. They have frontals, they have closures, they have bundles, Malaysian, Peruvian, Brazilian, all of that. So make sure you check them out. I will link them down below. So let's really get into this makeup tutorial because I have now found a mirror. So let's go. So to start off, per usual, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown to line out these brows. All my brows look kind of fleeky. My little barely there brow looking a little fleeky because we went through and shaped them up a little bit. Like I've said plenty of times, I refuse to get my brows threaded or waxed because there's not hardly any there. I'm not giving you $8. I'm not giving you $12. I'm not giving you $20 to wax or thread my skin. I'll do it myself. Self-sufficient. I'm just going to take this and outline the brow. And I do. I've been so behind. It's been such a busy couple months. Like, but I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna do an extremely beginner makeup tutorial. Like, we're gonna do. It's gonna be like in a series, because this is gonna start off from people who have absolutely like no makeup but really want to get into makeup. So we're gonna do a makeup for dummies type situation. Okay. I just have to find the time to get it popping. There's so many videos I have to do. Oh my god. But we're gonna get it. I promise I didn't forget. It's on the list. You're gonna get it. Because I had a comment or a message from someone. They said, I've been looking for so many makeup for beginners, and those videos, they really aren't for beginners. So I said, okay, well, I'm going to take it, you know, a step even further. We're going to go seriously. Like, the first video, it probably won't even be me doing makeup at all. It'll be, like, essential tools to get a beat face for beginners. So we're going to go through all the products that I suggest. Brushes, foundations, concealers, brands, why I suggest them for certain skin types. So all these videos are going to be a little bit long, but I really want to be able to give you the most valuable information from each. I'm trying not to block y'all. So yeah, we're going to get that series going. And then the next video, we'll probably take it like portion by portion of the face. I feel like go through like the most important part to stuff that you can just gradually work on. So the first video will probably be brows. Just because I feel like if your brows are snatched and you just throw on some mascara, you lit. Maybe a little highlighter, you're lit. Then we'll get into foundation, complexion, brushes for complexion that I feel are the best. I'll give you the most natural finish, different types of foundation depending upon your skin tone or skin type. We'll get into highlighting and contouring products for that. Cream versus powder, setting versus not, setting sprays, all that type of stuff. We'll get into lips, lip color combos, because it's never really anymore. It's like, oh, what's on your lip? Bro, it's like 5 things on my lip. So we'll get into that. We'll get into lash application. We'll get into setting sprays versus finishing sprays versus a whole bunch of stuff. Setting powders. Do you need it? Do you not need it? Baking. Do you need to do it? Do you not need to do it? We're going to go like step by step. I'm trying to do like seriously beginner makeup, because this took time. It was literally just playing with shit. And then the last series will probably be a series of its own, which will be eyeshadow, because eyeshadow ain't no hoe, bro. I honestly feel like that's the longest portion of makeup is eyeshadow. Like, you can get your complexion and stuff on pretty quick. But eyeshadow, when you're trying to get intricate with it, the blending takes so much time. Bro, let me hurry up and finish these brows. And then we'll keep it popping so I can kind of think about what palette I need to grab, who got what. Trying to do a peachy. I really want to do a peachy wash eye. But I honestly don't feel like I have a peach eyeshadow. Out of all the damn palettes I got. You ain't got no peach shadow? No. Alright, so now I'm taking the P. Louise shadow base and we're going to pop that on the lid so we can get all the pigment out of whatever peach shadow I find. Alright, so to get this peachy shade I'm thinking I want, I'm going to take this orangey coral color and then this pale pink from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And we're just going to see. We're just going to see what we get. They're both matte. So hopefully it looks like something. I'm thinking this orange is going to give me the peach undertones that I want. And then the pink is going to kind of try and mix and take away the orange and hopefully just leave the peachiness. Or we could just put this on and it could be the right peach. So I'm using the Japanese 836 brush and just patting that on. This might be the peach we need, y'all. It just may be. Just may be giving me what I want. I think I like this peach by itself, or coral, whatever it is. I think it's because the brush that I chose to use, since it's fluffy and not as densely packed, it doesn't put on the shadow as dense. Okay, now that's looking really, actually it matches the backdrop. Anyway, the brush is making it not as packed on. So the orange isn't showing through as much. The shade is more faded. So it's giving me more coral vibes than orange vibes. You know? Okay, so now we're going to go in with another blending brush, a crease blending brush. Morphe E3502. We're going to take this light brown shade right here. Toss that up in the crease. Very lightly, because I do not want it to overpower or take away from any of that. Just kind of mix it and blend it with the coral we have laid down. Yep, that's looking like a move. I like it. Ooh. Me gusta. So we're going to throw a little liner up there. Give it some dimension. So camera cut off on me, but for foundation we pulled out an oldie but a goodie, that good Lancome Tante Doll in the shade 530, my summer color, which clearly I already am. Just great. And the concealer we're using is the Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Tan. And lately I've been really loving blending out my concealer with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I just feel like it blends it so beautifully. It makes it all just mesh really well together. I love Real Techniques brushes for complexion. Not so much, not big on them for eyes or anything like that, but complexion, definitely get your complexion together. It's just like blends like magic. It's just the bomb.com. So yeah, Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Gonna go ahead and lay that good old black opal velvet finishing powder over that, and then contour with some black radiance. My favorite contouring brush has been my 9.29. Coming soon. Coming soon. Look at them, they're so pretty full. Coming soon. Anyway, this has been my favorite contouring brush as of lately, just because of this slant detail. It gets right up on the hollows of my cheeks, easily around the face. It's just pretty lit. Picks up product, deposits product. It's just lit. And pretty much blends as it places. But it still has some straight lines, so we can get it go a good y'all know, good contour, okay? Slim the face, chisel it out. So these will be available for purchase soon. I finally decided I had to test them out, y'all. Can't be just selling stuff that don't work. Folks be like, oh, let me just go ahead and sell this. Bro, you don't even know if it worked good. Quality, affordable quality. That's what 9.29 Touch with Style is about. Oh, grr. That's my shit now, y'all. Even get the nose right. Just take it on the edge of the top and chisel out the nose really lightly. Chisel, 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 snatch, chisel, chisel. Chisel, 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 snatch. We have some new lashes coming soon if I ever, you know, decide which ones I love the most. Because at this point we're just creating stuff and don't have it available to buy. We have to make money. Chirping. So what lashes do I want to put on today? On these throwbacks, good dodo lashes. I feel like that might be cute with this single shadow wash look we got going on. Ooh, looking real flirty, real girly. All right. pressing on the bottom, taking revenge from the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop Perception palette. Putting some black in that waterline, giving you drama for your baby mama. Get the lower lashes popping. Then we're gonna take Pose from a ColourPop and Shayla collab as well, and get our highlight on. Actually, we're gonna put that over Avalon ColourPop highlighter. We're almost done, we're almost done, we're almost done. So lastly, we're gonna do the lip. As you can see, I put Pose over the ColourPop cream highlighter in Avalon. So now I'm taking my NYX dark brown lip liner, and then we're gonna go over that with the ColourPop and Shayla Luxe lipstick, because it's lit and it looks pretty peachy coral. This is not ooh. Where is it? Don't mess up. No. Alright, so we're not going to use it because I don't know where it's at. We're going to use the lip gloss Neat Freak. Hey girl! Alright guys, so this is our finished look. We have our peachy vibes, peachy single shadow, well almost single shadow wash eye. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on my next video. Stay true.
Hunt your form, hunt your, got your bitch on porn, smash, smash, with two forms, ice my arm, ice shine, got the jag, yeah, got blacks on blacks, yeah.